In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download mods on Steam. So this is a simple thing to do. Once we are on our Steam homepage, you will probably be on the store homepage here. Now, what we need to do first of all is go to the top left-hand corner, go to Library, click on Home. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to the top left-hand corner to the search bar, and at the side of this, there is 3 little lines. Now, click on the lines. That will then give you this menu, and from here, you want to go down to Features, and then you want to click on Workshop. Once we select Workshop, you will then see all of the games which do allow mods. Now you want to select the game that you want. So for example, this one. You then want to go down, go over, click on Workshop. Once we click on Workshop, you can go down to where it says most popular, most subscribed, most recent. Or if you want to, you can search for one in the search bar at the top, or click on one of the tags right here. Now, for example, if I click on League and Data Updates, you can go ahead, find one of these mods, click on this. And then to download this, all we simply need to do is subscribe to download, as it says right here. So click on subscribe. And then as you can see, this item has been added to your subscriptions. Some of the games will require a relaunch for them to work correctly. Now, what you want to do is just relaunch the Steam game that you've just downloaded mods for, and then you will then be able to use the mods as normal. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download mods on Steam.